Monsoon is the season we all eagerly wait, for it brings relief from heat of summer and there'll be freshness and greenery all around. But with the beauty of rains, it also brings a rise in various diseases like dengue, malaria, diarrhea, viral fevers, and various skin infections. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Hina Kausar. I'm a homeopathic consultant and a clinical nutritionist. In today's video, we'll understand a few common monsoon diseases and how to prevent and manage them with the help of homeopathy effectively and holistically. Let's get started. First up, why diseases increase in the monsoon? Our immunity drops slightly with sudden change in the atmosphere. Then there'll be excess of humidity and dampness, which creates an ideal environment for the fungi and germs. Then stagnant water becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Then there'll be contamination of food and water, which is common due to poor drainage and flooding. We'll see different diseases, one after the other, in detail. Waterborne diseases like diarrhea, typhoid and cholera comes up with the symptoms like loose motions, vomiting, fever, abdominal cramps, diarrhea and dehydration. There are indicated homeopathic medicines like Arsenicum album for diarrhea with burning sensation, weakness and restlessness. And there's Veratrum album if there is profuse watery stools with cold sweats. China officinalis or Cinchona officinalis is indicated when there is weakness due to severe fluid loss or dehydration. In the same way, there are various indicated remedies based on the symptoms. And the second one is mosquito-borne diseases like chikungunya, malaria and dengue. Here the patient shows up the symptoms like a high fever, chills, body ache, there will be severe joints pain, weakness, and sometimes there will also be skin irritation and rashes. Here the homeopathic remedies that are indicated are Eupatorium perfoliatum. This is one of the beautiful homeopathic remedy which works beautifully in the cases of dengue. Here it helps in increasing the platelet count as well when there's intense joints pain and severe fever. And the next indicated remedy is Bryonia. Here the symptoms might be fever with severe joints pain, muscle pain, and the patient will feel better with rest. And once again, Arsenicum album and China or Cinchona officinalis is indicated here as well. Arsenicum album when there's weakness, restlessness, anxiety with fever, and Cinchona officinalis for post-malarial weakness due to loss of fluids. Viral infections like cold, cough, flu, then viral fever with most common symptoms like sore throat, cough, sneezing, mild fever, weakness, headache, etc. Here the homeopathic and indicated remedies are belladonna when there is sudden high fever and the patient's face will be so much red that is flushed and there will be throbbing headache. And the next remedy is Rustox when there is severe body ache which is worse in damp weather and the patient feels better by movement rather than rest. And the third remedy is Gelsemium when the patient feels very dull, drowsy, weak, with fever and chills, and other indicated remedies. Most of the skin infections like fungal infection, which is also known as Candida albicans, athlete's foot, psoriasis, then eczema, all this becomes worse during winters. It gives rise to various symptoms like severe itching of the skin, there will be redness, there will be burning, there will be a lot of eruptions, scaly eruptions, there will be dryness of the skin, and sometimes patient feels very weak, and also a lot of patients comes out with anxiety due to these severe symptoms which are increased or aggravated during winters. And one of the best remedy to manage all the symptoms is sulfur. Sulfur is indicated when there is itching and the patient feels severe burning sensation and the eruptions will get worse from heat and also after washing the skin. And the second remedy is Graphitis. Graphitis is indicated when there is oozing from the skin. There will be discharges, it can be watery or putrid discharges, sticky eruptions with thick crust. Graphitis is one of the indicated remedy. Petroleum is one of the best remedies, which is mostly indicated for skin complaints in winters. Tellurium is one of the remedy indicated for fungal infection or the ringworm infections when there are circular growths or the circular eruptions on the skin with severe itching and burning sensation. Basilinum is another indicated remedy for fungal infections. We have discussed a few monsoon diseases an individual can contract. However, prevention is always better than cure. So let's look into a few tips on how to prevent these diseases. Keep yourself hydrated. Drink a lot of water, preferably filtered or boiled water. Or you can also prefer soups, warm soups, or different herbal teas if you like. Wash hands frequently. Strengthen your immunity with a balanced diet, probiotics, and the food preferably should be fresh, home cooked. Avoid eating leftovers or the food that is kept for too long. Exercise indoors to stay active. Visit a doctor if the symptoms persist for more than 2 to 3 days. Wear breathable clothes. Keep the surroundings clean and mosquito free. In this video, we have discussed a few homeopathic remedies as well, but each individual needs a different remedy as homeopathy is based on the concept of individualization, and I have discussed about it in one of my videos, and you can see that somewhere on the top. You can view the video if you want to know more about homeopathy. And it is always best to consult a doctor. Never self-medicate, though the medicines are discussed here. Never self-medicate. You can reach out to a nearby homeopath, or you can reach out to us. I have left the details in the description box. We are towards the end of this video, and monsoons are always beautiful, and we can enjoy it really well by taking care of our health. Homeopathy offers gentle and effective remedies to manage monsoon-related illnesses without any side effects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and homeopathic insights. Stay healthy, stay safe, and enjoy the rains responsibly. Thank you.